Hello, people. Oh my god, this is my second video of the day, and I have to say, people, that yesterday I went for this Telugu movie 118. Oh my god. I mean, 118, as cryptic or as unique as the name of the movie was, honestly, I cross my heart as when I say this. I don't think Indian cinema has ever seen a script like 118, because it's like the blurb of the film speaks of the fact that it's about this investigative journalist who keeps getting a recurring nightmare of a lady being murdered, and it just occurs to him that since this particular dream, so to speak, is coming to him in such detail, uh, there must be some truth to it. I mean, it must have, this incident must have really occurred. And so 118 is like you get a crash course in things like lucid dreaming, and it's metaphysics really. So see, that's my little, my 6-year-old. But seriously, people, hats off to the writer of the film, writer director, because as of today I wrote a whole review which is on this website fullheight.com, but which hopefully will come on it. But seriously, people, if you all haven't watched it, just go and watch it, because Book My Show already has called it the highest grossing Telugu film for this month, which in itself, considering it was released on March 1st, it's really saying something. This is one of my very long movie reviews, but I think it is so worth it. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.